In this video,
We will learn how to enable cross-platform play on Fortnite. In order to enable cross-play on Fortnite, all you need to do is head to the settings menu. In order to do that, click on your profile button from the top right hand side of your screen. After that, click on the gear button. From here, you need to head to the account and privacy tab. After coming to the account and privacy tab, scroll down until you find gameplay privacy. From here, you can find the enable crossplay option. As I am on PC, it's not showing for me, but on all of the consoles versions, you will see the setting at the top hand side. From here, you can choose to enable or disable it as you want. After that, you can go back to your main menu, play a game and enjoy. So this is how you can easily turn off crossplay on Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.